Hello, welcome back to Core Finance. I'm Matt Brown, joined by Eddie Tofpik, Head of FX at ADMISI, and well, it's that time of the week, Bitcoin.
Embrace the coin.
Embrace the coin.
Embrace
indeed.
the coin.
A lot have been.
Well, a lot have been, but probably one of the things I said to you was the advent of futures markets means that this is possibly the most bearish thing that's happened to the coin for a long time. We've had a big run up ahead of the movement into the coin, into the futures markets, and now we're starting to see a little bit of hesitation around these levels. You've got a lot of resistance above the market, which isn't too far away. The key levels being 19,775, 2481, and 22,136. Those are now. What was interesting last time we spoke was those were actually quite far away.
Yes.
But they're getting narrower, closer to the market because the recent action is showing a touch of indecision. You know, it was the first time we've seen two Doji crosses, activities where the market's gone up and down, but open and closed roughly where it started. At the same time within 3 days of each other. We haven't seen that for a while. The odd occasional one, but not more than one usually. So in this particular instance, it's looking a little bit as if it's done just enough for the moment. That shift pitchfork which I've drawn there, I think that's in danger of getting busted. I'm not necessarily saying it's going to do that. But we are seeing some resistance around the 17.5 area, 17,500 area. It looks as if we're just taking a bit of a breather. Now, please bear in mind, though there is a single one Bitcoin contract on the futures market open now, it's not the biggest and most liquid one necessarily. The big one comes up next week, which is the CME contract, 5 Bitcoin. And it'd be very interesting to see. They've already raised their margin level significantly to just under 50%. So you'd have to pay up 2.5 Bitcoin to actually trade 5, or just under 2.5. So it's actually an interesting market in its own right. Do I think it's going down? No, not yet. It's not going to be bearish. You'd have to go sub 6,000 for it to be neutral. But at this particular point, the area of support, which is 13,210, which is a nearby 50%, that could possibly be in the frame if we carry on sideways. Not necessarily going up, but just sideways for a bit longer. Because a lot of these hands that are holding this are weak hands. They're not ones which are going to be there for the long run. And they could get fed up with it and just get out.
And on the flip side, on the upside?
I think 22,136 is the top side you're going to be looking for next one. If it does it, that would be a reasonable target. But there is the 19,775 and the 2481. Those are close enough that they could halt it for a little while. But you've got to be looking 22,136 if you still believe in it.
Indeed, and it could even hit.
I'm not saying I don't believe in it. I'm saying this particular rally, it's running out. Embrace the coin.
Indeed. Well, it could hit those two, both the higher and lower levels in just one day. Who knows?
Well, the biggest move I've seen has been like 29% in one day. So this is nothing.
Good stuff. Well, in the meantime, Eddie Tofpik, as always, giving us his views and ideas from a technical point of view on Bitcoin. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you very much.